In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account. Now, first step is liking this video. Then the next step is opening up your Roblox account. So open up app you have, and then you can go ahead and click on the Roblox button, which is in the top right. It shows this little gold icon here. Click on that, and it shows that you can buy Robux. So on the left, it shows you the package price, and on the right, it shows you the Robux you'll be receiving. So you can go ahead and click on one of those and purchase Robux. This will add it to your Roblox account. If you have a Roblox gift card, you're gonna have to redeem through a different way because it won't let you do it through the mobile app. So if you're trying to redeem a gift card to add Robux, you can go ahead and open up a browser and then type in Roblox redeem. And there's this website, Roblox gift cards. Click on that. And then you can see on the top right, it shows redeem card button. Click on redeem card. And then it'll have this code that you can enter. That code is on the back of the gift card. So make sure you're logged into your account. It will prompt you to log into your account. And then you can redeem the gift card. That's how to add Robux to your Roblox account. Thank you for tuning in.